What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got another video. Gee, look at that tail light. We're picking up parts. And I think we're either gonna work on, I don't even know. So after we pick up these parts today, we got this car has a lot of stuff to get done, and then of course the Lexus. As you guys saw in the last video, we did the wheels, and I showed you guys how to do those things. So you guys gotta remember, you need your tuner lugs and you also need your hub centering rings. Just don't forget those two. So yeah, we're gonna pick up some more goodies today, and then hopefully we'll bang out another video real soon. I'm also gonna take you guys on my adventure because I am driving not pretty far as where I went to the hood, but you know, a decent amount. So gotta make sure everything's good. I already checked the tire pressure. We do need gas, so I'm gonna go to the gas station first. Okay, make sure the hood's on. What you guys think? She's still dusty, but looks pretty good. Exhaust is on. I'm gonna break it in today by driving. Yeah, so, but let's get to it, and I'll see you guys every step of the way. Let's get to the gas station. Alright guys, so we made it to Costco. We're just getting some gas real quick. You know, we go to Costco because they keep the cost low, and they're a lot less expensive than the regular gas station. But what you think? What you guys think? She aired out. Tell me what you guys think. Let me see. Is she valid? It's not bad, huh? So we're gonna get some gas and then we're gonna head out soon. So yeah. She. We have a hood this time. I really want to put on that trunk soon, but how much we spending? Too much. Alright guys, well, we'll see you in a bit, guys. Peace. Alright guys, so we just finished getting some money from the bank, and now we're making our way to our destination. We have maybe 3 stops to get everything done. So we are an hour 40 away, and then afterwards we're gonna come back and hit another spot somewhere close to Irvine, and then in Anaheim, and then we're gonna be good to go. So after that we should be good, and we're gonna stockpile on content and just yeah, and just push out videos after that. So let me see what freeway's gonna take me on. 210, what is that, 605? No, to the 60. Okay. All right guys, well, I'm headed out, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Peace. All right guys, so we just finished up. We got our parts. There's the man right there, Trigger. Take it easy, buddy. Yeah, thank you. Happy New Year. Awesome. Look at that thing, man. Gee. So we got our parts, and the parts are for the Lexus. Do I show you? Nah, I'm not gonna show you yet. I gotta go right now. I don't have time to do a rundown, but I'll show you guys when we get to the house. So, but on to the next stop. We're gonna go to where are we going? We are going to South Coast Plaza area. So yeah, if you guys want to know what we got, it's right there. Gee. We'll do a deep dive when we get home with everything else from today. All right, guys. We'll see you guys in a few bits. All right, guys. So we made it. We are at the junkyard. We got 2 out of 3 parts, and we're here looking for 1 more part. And we found a car, and it has 1 more part that we need, but it also has a bonus part that we might take off as well, so that way we can put it into our car. So what we need is that right there. I want this, and then what we also need is in here. So I'm gonna take off the steering wheel and we're gonna get to it. So see you guys in a sec. All right guys, so a little bit of a bust. We didn't get what we need to do the steering wheel yet, but we did get a bonus piece, which is this bad boy right here, if you can see it. So we're going to be swapping the air control unit in ours for this one. As you guys know, ours is knobs. I don't really like the knobs. This is what it looks like. Here, let me just put it together real quick. So here's the current one in the car, right? You know, we have a little knob right? And here's the new one that's going in. I'd rather use this. It's a little bit more, I don't know, it just looks good too. Like, it just looks more, like, you know? Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna take this and we'll come back and revisit this once we have the correct parts. But for now, another wooden one. And now we're good to go. So, I'll see you guys when I get back to the house. Peace.